have to fret. All I have to do is trust. Trust in him, and he will take care of it all. He promised never to leave us, never to forsake us. He tells us in Matthew 28:20, he says, "Lo, I am with you always, even unto the end of the world." So it's all we have to do is seek him diligently. Pastor says it all the time. God is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. That did something for Jennifer. I don't know if it did anything for you, but I looked up the word diligent, and it says it's characterized by steady, earnest, and energetic effort. Saying that you must take some action, that you must put forth some effort, that you must accelerate yourself. Do something. Do it with all your might. So I'm telling each of you all to diligently trust in the Lord, because he is all-knowing. He knows the plans that he has for you. He knows where he's taking you. You just have to put your faith in him and let him lead and guide you. You must say, "Lord, thou art the potter. I am the clay. Mold me, make me, and have thine own way." Even when you can't understand, you've got to trust. Even when you're confused, you've got to trust. When you've been abused and misused, you still got to trust. And saints, I tell you daily, if you trust in God, you'll realize who Jesus is and what he truly means to you when you simply learn to trust, totally rely upon the Savior today.
All right. Oh, yeah.